Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO never leave the chance to make country proud. ISRO is always head into the race of space research and become a future global leader in space research technology. ISRO is recorded 104 satellites sent at a time in space. ISRO also India's key player in growing commercial market for based surveillance and communication. Hello everyone, my name is Aniruddha Kulkarni, a TYCS student at Anna Sahib Dange College of Engineering, Ashta.
3, 2,
ये दे प्रज्वलन हुआ
1, 0.
ये दोनों जो ग्राउंडेड स्टेप आने
Plus
उनका भी
5
प्रज्वलन हुआ
seconds.
Lift off normal.
Perfect lift off, a normal lift off, and PSLV is up in the sky.
बादलों को चीरता हुआ ये रॉकेट आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है.
So today in this presentation we are discussing about the ISRO's 13th satellite about the remote sensing. His name is Cartosat 2A. Here Cartosat 2A is the remote sensing satellite. This is sent in space for Earth observation. His main work is Earth observation and this mission is remote sensing. This is launched at 20th April 2008 from Satish Dhawan Space Research Center, Sriharikota. Cartosat 2A is the 13th satellite in the Indian remote sensing satellite series. It is a sophisticated and huge remote sensing satellite that can provide scene-specific spot imagery. This satellite carried a panchromatic camera. Here panchromatic camera used for capturing the images of Earth. Here in this image we can see how ISRO built the payload of this spacecraft and partially identical like the Cartosat 2 design spacecraft of ISRO. This mass weight is 690 kg and design life is 5 years. This satellite working in space till 5 years. This image shows us the integration of the Cartosat 2A spacecraft and the secondary payload. How built the secondary payload for Cartosat 2A. So overall about how mission goes the Cartosat 2A. Cartosat 2A spacecraft and its payload are operating nominally in 2012. Its payload, very much powerful payload, operating nominally in 2012 and it's all Cartosat 2A spacecraft operating in 2010. In this image, artist view of the 10 deployed spacecraft in orbit launched by PSLV C9. Here PSLV C9 is the launcher of the Cartosat 2A who sends the Cartosat 2A in space. And this is the sample image of Greater Mumbai is captured by Cartosat 2A. We can see how clear image captured by payload camera and detailing of this image. So overall all this about Cartosat 2A series of ISRO's great mission and successfully survived this 5 years mission in space. So thank you very much for listening me.